In the early centuries of Islamic civilization, the night sky was not just admired. It was carefully measured, recorded, and understood. One of the minds behind this scientific awakening was Yahya ibn Abi Mansur, an astronomer whose precision reshaped how the heavens were studied. Yahya worked during the Golden Age of Baghdad at the House of Wisdom, the world's most advanced center of knowledge. With carefully crafted instruments, Yahya observed the sky with unmatched accuracy for his time. He recorded the positions of stars and planets, transforming observation into reliable science. Yahya didn't just copy earlier knowledge. He corrected errors and refined astronomical calculations. His work helped align the Earth with the heavens, a foundation for calendars, navigation, and timekeeping. Later astronomers built upon Yahya's calculations, using his methods for centuries. His name is rarely spoken today, but his measurements still echo across the history of science. Yahya ibn Abi Mansur reminds us, true knowledge begins by looking upward with patience and precision.